uzokutholela i-counseling.
Jonga bhuti wami ndikuxelele ne. Into edibene ne-counseling. I-counseling esemntwini. I can go to kwezo sessions zalo counseling but andizukuhilisha ngala mzuzu kufuneka ndihilishe kuyo. Ixesha lokuba ndiphinde ndibe right lizazifikela. Andinid i-counseling. Ndiyabulela.
Eish. Sorry my sister ne. Nawa manzi wakho.
Futhi.
Singayibala.
Ayisingayibala.
Yo. Umjolo guys ngeke. Umjolo uyalimazana ne?
Kakhulu bhuti. And into embi ngomjolo is that uzohlala after i-heartbreak and pick up the pieces. Thina we ladies we always pick up the pieces unfortunately. Xa uqala uhilisha uba uphinda ufunda uqala kwakhona you'll meet the same shit njengalo muntu ugqiba kundenza yona apha. So iyafana, there's no formula and there's no manual. It will always be like this.
So are you saying when this is what you have been experiencing kuma relationship?
All the time. Zawuhlala afika umuntu xa kanti uright so hilishile, you pick up the pieces uright uphinda udibane nesimanga esinje. So it's going to be like this over and over again unfortunately.
Asibaleni guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bango.